In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw trial cash from your Palmpay. Alright, so for those who have Palmpay, alright, for those which countries Palmpay is available. So for my case, if I come to Play Store, as you can see, Palmpay isn't available for my country. But individuals like those who are in Nigeria, whereby Palmpay is available, I'm assuming this is how your interface will look like. Alright, so if you want to withdraw trial cash, alright, so what you're going to do is simple. As you can see, this is how your interface will look like. So you click on transfer over here. Okay, when you click on transfer, the interface will look like this. And as you can see, this is your trial cash. It is 4,000 naira. I'm just assuming. Alright, so to withdraw this, you can't withdraw it directly. The only thing you can withdraw is interest. As you can see, today's interest is 0.40 naira, and when you come over here, we'll be having the interest is around 22 naira. So this is the amount you can withdraw. So just tap on the button there, and then you'll be able to withdraw this money into your account or into your bank balance. Alright guys, so that's it guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.